Okay, I just started broadcasting, Professor, but we've already been on here for a few minutes talking about our part 2. I just forgot to press start broadcast. Thought I would explain myself. Okay, let's see. I always forget to have the quiz open, you guys. I'm sorry.
You're good.
It's okay. No, I'm still opening it.
I have an exam in my Excel class right now.
Oh no.
I hate exam weeks. I just feel like it's so hard to stay on top of everything else, you know?
Yeah. Is that exam 2?
Yeah, for spreadsheets. Are you in spreadsheet analysis right now?
No, I took it spring semester.
Oh, okay.
I think I'm gonna have to take that because I don't remember planning it, but I must have.
Yeah,
probably
business major. I think you have to take it, right?
Yeah. Yep. You know what, Marin? It's easy to get an A or a B in it, but it is very time consuming. So just schedule accordingly.
I just cannot take it at the same time I'm taking accounting.
Oh,
I'll be done with accounting.
Don't
yes. Accounting's the worst. My least favorite classes so far.
That's not that bad.
That's because you're an accounting major.
Yeah.
I should get your help with some of my problems because my tutor knows nothing about my class. It's so frustrating.
Oh, yeah. Ask me the questions. Yeah, I can help you out because I think we're in the same class.
We're in managerial?
Yeah, I'm in 202 right now.
Yeah, I got a really bad grade on the last test, and I kept bugging the professor, Lindsay, like you told me to, and he sent me what I did wrong. And he's like, you can't show anybody this because it's the test. But he sent it to me because I kept bugging him. Because I got a bad grade, and I don't I thought I knew the formulas, so it was so confusing.
That is by far the hardest class I've taken in college.
Really?
Yeah, I really struggled with that class. Financial, I did okay. Managerial, I just felt like I lived and breathed that class. And I ended up with an 81% grade average in it.
Oh, that's good, though.
I worked my tail off for it. I was doing 30 hours a week for that class.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't understand it. The homework took me forever.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
I mean, forever. Oh, that class angers me. Just thinking about it makes me mad. But I shouldn't say that to you. You're going to do great. It's a great class.
Well, I do good on the homework and I do good on the quizzes. And then I failed the test almost.
Oh,
so
that's so hard. You know what?
Yeah,
now that I'm in Excel,
text you, Josh, and maybe we can have another video meeting about accounting before the next test.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, I can definitely help you out with that.
Have you met with the tutor?
No.
He's like, well, let's check because I don't know if that's the right answer. And I'm like,
how do you know?
Yeah, I used to tutor every week in that class, and I felt like half the time they couldn't help me. It was very frustrating.
Yeah.
The homework is obviously too difficult if a tutor who is majoring in that is unable to help me.
Yeah.
That's just ridiculous.
It
was very frustrating.
I enjoy learning about it. I like doing the homework, but it's hard. But I like it. It's more fun than my humanities class, which sucks.
Taking that
most boring class ever.
You'll pass it, Marin.
Thanks. Okay, we ready for the test?
Yes, I'm open. I'm there. I'm ready with number 3.
Perfect.
Want me to read it?
Yeah.
Find the margin of error for a 90% confidence interval when the standard deviation is 50 and n is 25. So this is going to be exactly like what I just walked you guys through. Mm-hmm. We're going to have to use that m is equal to and do all the algebra to find. Oh, wait, no, we're not finding n. We know what n is. So we're just going to do m is equal to, what's the 90% confidence? Where's that little chart?
It's 1.645.
We got to find the z-score first, though, don't we?
That is
Oh, no,
it.
that is the that is the z-score, yes. M is equal to z times standard deviation over square root of n. Okay.
Right.
Sorry, I lost where I was at. Okay, there's my notes. 1 point.
Oh, wow. Okay, I did that wrong.
Oops, 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 oops. Okay.
So this is what I was trying to tell you, Lizzie. This is how I tried to do the last one.
Gotcha.
So find the margin error.
I got 16.5.
I'm almost done.
Yeah, I got 16.45.
How did you get 4.5?
I'm trying
Oh,
to
because
figure
I
out.
didn't do 1.645. Gotcha.
Oh, I got 16.452.
Yes, yes, you guys are right.
We're smart. We all got it. That's so good.
I know, I was grateful that this was a short, easy chapter. I'm like, I still probably have 8 hours left on my Excel exam.
Gosh, yeah, those exams are.
Marin, the Excel exams, they say plan for 8 to 12 hours.
Yeah.
That's insane.
On
Yeah.
top of your normal coursework, and you have an exam every 2.5 weeks.
Yeah.
Oh my word.
And your
It's ridiculous.
Your last exam, you make it up.
What do you mean you make it up?
You make up your own spreadsheet with your own numbers, and you figure out. You have to make your own spreadsheet that works for something. It's anything.
I actually started that because I was doing my taxes the other day, Josh, and I was like, oh, I should start making like a really high-tech spreadsheet for my taxes.
Yes.
So I started that. So hopefully in the next couple of weeks as I get my taxes done, I'll just be done with that, you know?
That's smart.
That's a good idea.
But it's just one more thing to do, you know?
How many credits is that class? Is it 4?
No, it's just a 3-credit class, but it's super time consuming. Everybody I know in it right now is spending just as much time as I am. So it's not like I'm freakishly slow. It's like, this is crazy.
It legit takes that long.
I feel like I only have hard classes left because I spent so long deciding what my major would be. So I have no hard, like I have no easy classes to take with the hard class.
Yeah, that's where I'm at too, Marin. And I'm doing an internship this semester, 15 hours a week.
Oh yeah, you are insane.
And I have 4 kids, and I teach preschool out of my house 2 days a week.
Oh my.
I'm starting to feel a little bit like cuckoo crazy, you know? Like,
no kidding.
Really tired all the time. Like I'm sick, but I'm not.
I can imagine.
That makes me feel bad for being tired about the little stuff I'm doing.
I'm like, but my internship's only 7 weeks long. So I just feel like just power through and then it's done, you know?
Yeah.
Anyways.
I have no idea the second one. I'm going to have to like look at the chapter again. I don't remember. I think it's one of the point estimator ones.
Which of the following statements is true?
Oh, I think it's X is a point estimator of U.
That's what I was thinking. Yeah, that looks right because that's what the table says.
Okay. Yes, I agree. And then we'll just submit them one at a time to make sure.
Gina wants to construct 95% confidence interval for GMAT scores. She knows the standard deviation is 113. The simple random sample size is 64 and computes mean of 526. What's the point estimate for the true GMAT score?
Okay, point estimate. That was in our homework.
Isn't that just the deviation
That's just the sample
subtract
mean.
thing? Subtract the sample mean?
Collects a simple random sample of size and
Number 7 on our homework asks you to find the point estimate, and the answer was just the sample mean.
yeah, so it's 526.
So that's what I would say too. Maren, what do you think?
Yeah, I agree.
Okay.
That goes along with the question we just answered before that.
Number 6. What is the margin of error for the 95th confidence interval for the true GMAT scores? So 95th is 1.960. M is equal to times. All right. All right, I got 27.685.
That's what I got.
Sorry, I'm still working on it.
You're good. You're good. Are you in Excel?
Yeah.
See, you're going to do well in the Excel class because you already use it a lot and you already depend on it and know how to function it. I knew the basics, and so that's helping me, but I didn't know anything fancy, you know.
I don't feel like I know fancy stuff, but I use it all the time.
Then you'll at least be confident in it. What is the lower limit of this confidence interval? Ugh.
That's just the margin of error subtract the mean. Right?
I have no clue. We didn't have one of those on our homework.
Oh, I think it's just the, if we look at question 8 on the preparation.
Oh, we just find both
create,
of them and we put the lower of the two numbers.
Sorry, on the other one, did you guys get 27.69?
Yes, but is it asking for 3? We
I don't
put
know.
685.
Okay, 685.
But let's see at the top, did it say a certain amount of decimals?
I think you're right. It usually is 3.
It says round to 3 decimal places. Okay.
Okay, I know how to figure out this one. This is the one where you find it for the negative z-score and the positive z-score.
Uh-huh. And we're
So
going
we
to
just
use...
have to find it with the negative one.
Oh, yeah, but the next question is the upper limit, so we need to find them both.
Oh, okay.
So here we go. The mean was...
So we just subtract... Wait. Oh, no. What was the mean again? 526?
Yeah. And we're assuming 95% confidence still, right? Yep, of this confidence interval. Okay. Okay.
So did you get 498?
Sorry, I'm slow.
No, you're good.
Still typing into my calculator.
I think I did it wrong, so.
I got 490. Well, yeah, it would be 499 because you always. Oh no. Yeah, 498.315 is what I got.
Yep, that's what I got too. Hey. 498.315. Okay.
Cool. I did it right.
You guys, thank goodness we understood this section.
I know.
I hate it when we get to this point and we're like still kind of confused. It's very daunting. Knock on wood, this class isn't as bad as I was expecting it to be. I'm sure it's going to get harder, but.
Did you get 553.685 for the upper limit?
That's what I got. Yep.
Okay.
Sorry.
If the interval increased in sample size, it would increase, right? Isn't that what we learned in the homework?
What would happen to the width of the confidence interval if Tina increased the sample size? It would actually decrease. If we look at question 10 on the preparation.
Oh yeah, the lower sample size has a higher margin of error.
Right.
So is the margin of error the width? Is that what it's talking about?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, for number 8, did you guys say 553.685?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry, I messed up, so then I had to like re-put it into my calculator. Okay, what would happen to the width? So we're thinking increase?
We're thinking decrease.
Decrease,
So
yeah.
sample size, the lower sample size has a higher margin of error than the higher sample size.
Okay.
So if the sample size increased, the margin of error would decrease. Okay, that makes sense to me. Does that make sense to you?
Yes. Yep. So we're going to put decrease?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, now this is the same question, but they're saying what would happen if it increased? What would happen if the confidence interval increased? And that is number 12.
That's 2.576.
Yeah. So. Yeah.
You guys got to do it on Excel. It makes it so much easier. You just type in the new number and you don't have to solve anything else.
That's probably true. I was looking at the homework for number 12.
So it looks like
the margin of error gets smaller as the level of confidence grows smaller. So the level of confidence here is getting larger, so the margin of error would get larger.
Yeah.
So increase.
So we don't even really have to do that problem, do we?
No, but you know what? I was just thinking that that is a smart practice to get into, Marin, what you just did, because then you're less likely to make a mistake. Like if you really fast just do the problem, then you're going to get the answer right.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So it's probably on a test and something. That's probably what I would do is like rework the problem and check and see so that I don't get confused.
Yeah.
Because sometimes when this stuff is worded like that, I get super confused.
Yeah.
Bright bulb light bulb company.
Increase. Okay.
Yeah, so we put increase. So Bright Bulb Light Bulb Company is planning a study to assess the average life expectancy of their light bulbs. They know the standard deviation is 400 hours. They want a 95% confidence interval with a margin of error of 50 hours. What sample size do they need? So this is like the homework where we had to find N, the number 13. Right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So M is 50 is equal to Z. We don't know what Z is. Oh, yeah, we do. Duh. 95% confidence interval. I keep doing that.
I know. Me too.
1.96. I keep thinking, well, how do I figure out the times over square root of n?
I need to write down the formula because I'm not remembering that.
60 to the square root of n is equal to 1.
Yes, I got 246.
Oh my word.
Square root of n is equal to 15.68, and then we square that is equal to, you said 246?
Yeah, because it's just rounding up.
Yep, that's what I got too. Score.
Okay.
Maren, did you get that?
Sorry, I had to go back and write the formula down that I needed because I couldn't remember it off the top of my
You're
head.
fine. You're fine. I'm just excited that we're getting the same stuff. Yay.
What did you guys get?
246.
Okay, I'll go back and see if I get
We
that.
can wait for you, and then that way you make sure you get it. You understand
Okay.
it.
So it's
We got plenty of time before Josh's wife has to leave.
Yep.
And we only
95.
have 2 more questions or 3 more, so take your time. Oh, this is my kid's school, guys. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Okay.
Hello? Oh, hi. I'm on my online class thing right now. Like my Google Hangouts. I thought it was the school. That's why I answered. What's up, though? Go back. Remember, he's at school. Oh. No, I haven't. But this number's 542 and this is 544, so I thought it was the school. And I was like, oh, he grew up. But he didn't. He totally didn't. So. Okay. Okay, talk to you later.
Okay, cool. That's what I got.
It wasn't even the school.
That's okay. I got it. I got the same answer as you, 245.82.
Oh, good.
So
Good. Awesome. We get it then. Okay, so then next we're doing the whole lower limit and upper limit again. All right, so
what's the lower limit? Okay.
okay. Are you guys already starting to do it, to work it out?
Yeah, I'm gonna start right now.
Okay. So 495. So
Wait.
are you guys using for the mean 111? Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good.
Yeah, I started out using 100, but then I was like, wait, we got to use the sample. You can have one of those.
You want to get one for everyone.
I'm having a hard time remembering the.
They've given us too much information here and trying to confuse us, you know? Jerks.
Okay, are you guys? I don't know if you guys are done yet.
I think I got
For the lower one, I got 99,001.53.
Yep, that's what I got.
Wow.
Yeah,
that's amazing. That's like a pretty specific number for us all to get. That's awesome.
The nearest whole number, though.
So 2?
Okay.
Yeah.
So 99002.
Yeah.
That was sweet.
I know. It makes me feel so smart when I figure it out on the first try.
So then it's going to be.
So 122,999.
What'd you say, Marion?
Oh.
Oh. Did you guys
Dang
get
it.
122,999?
I got 122,998, but I don't know if we're supposed to round up or just round to the nearest number.
Oh, right. You're probably right. So, wouldn't it still be?
I think it would be 122,999
Really?
because the 7 makes the 4 5.
It's hard to know when to start rounding.
I know it
What
is.
number?
Well, if the 4 is the next number, so I got 122,996.
Oh, you did? I got 0.4732, but I probably typed something in wrong. Here, I'll redo it.
Yeah, I got what you got, Josh. 0.467.
Okay, so
Yeah.
I'm the one who messed up. I gotta start doing this in Excel, Maren.
Some strawberries.
Thanks, for. So what are you guys gonna put?
I guess if it's the nearest whole number, it would be 8, unless we're rounding up.
We can try it both ways. I can submit mine first and see what we get.
Okay, I got what you guys got.
Okay. Yeah, because I don't know if you round with the 4.
I think you do. My vote is you do.
Okay, so then let's try it with the 8 first.
Okay.
There are 3 requirements that need to be checked when computing a confidence interval for a mean. Oh, I know this one.
Wait, I think that we change it to 2,999.
Oh.
But that's just my thoughts. I'll put 2,999 and I'll be the first one to submit. I think it's my turn anyways.
Okay.
Okay. That needs to be checked when computing confidence interval for a mean. Confidence.
We had to do it twice in the book.
In the homework, yes.
A simple random sample was drawn from the population. That's right.
That's right.
Oh, I think it's just all of them. Because
I think it is.
Oh, yeah.
I remember X has to be normally distributed.
Yes, the sigma has to be known, and the X has to be normal. So mean has to be normal. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's submit.
Oh, I will. Hold on.
Okay. This is awesome. We did that so fast.
Yeah, we did great.
Okay, we missed number 7.
7.
Or at least I did. I don't know if you, what did you guys put for that one?
I got 498.315.
Okay, let's see. That's the only one. I put 418.315. Did I maybe just type something in wrong?
Yeah, I think you just got a typo.
Okay.
498.
So what do you guys have for that?
49.
Oh, yes, I just typed it in wrong. You guys should get 100.
Okay,
Wait.
so we know we need to make sure we remember that rounding thing.
So it is rounding up to the nearest whole number.
Oh yeah, I put 122,999 and I got it right.
Great.
Okay, that's kind of stressful. Can't remember that.
All right, submit.
I'm serious, Josh. I'm probably going to text you and see if you want to have like a mini study group for the managerial accounting.
Yeah, let me know.
I've like messaged some people in my class and no one messages me back. Like no one wants to study. I'm like,
Really?
no, there's no way everyone is like getting an A+ on everything and I'm the only one.
When I was in that class, we had like a little study group that we had to do something together. Do you guys not have like a study group?
No, like I've tried to make one like 3 times on the discussion
Oh,
board.
maybe
like,
we just made
here's
it.
my
Yeah,
number,
we must have
please
just made
text
it
me.
ourselves. It did help. We talked on the phone, like we just did like a 3-way phone chat before we turned anything in, and like helped each other and checked each other's work. It was great.
Yeah, that's awesome. Is your next test, Josh, on the 24th?
Let's see, when is it?
Because I wonder if we're on the same schedule.
Oh, I'm
Yeah,
sure you are.
Mine opens the 23rd and closes the 24th.
Okay, cool. Yes, we should study together. That would be so
Yeah,
helpful.
for sure.
You probably don't actually need to, but I really need to.
No,
You
it'll help
guys-
me solidify the equations because there's a lot of equations to remember in this.
The application problem was so hard.
Oh yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
those application problems.
He felt so
I-
bad. The teacher emailed me, like I didn't even email him. He emailed me and was like, "Do you want to try that again? Because you got a really bad grade."
Oh my gosh.
I got
Yeah,
a
that was-
52% on one of the tests in that class.
A what?
52%.
Oh.
And still got to be in the class. So
Okay,
it's
well that's
possible.
good then. That's good.
Don't freak out.
That's great.
I like it was my second exam that I took in there. I got an A on the first one, and then the second exam I got a 52%. And I didn't feel like I did anything differently. Like I don't feel like I like studied differently or studied any less. And so then I started to panic. So I called to see if I could drop the class, and they were like, "Well, you might as well just finish it because you don't get your money back. And then if you have to retake it, then it will be a lot easier because you took it." But somehow I just squeaked by. I think my homework and quiz grades got me through.
That's good to know. I
Yeah.
feel like that's how I got through financial accounting, was just because I did all the homework and quizzes.
Yeah. I mean, when I saw 52% on that exam, I was like, what the heck am I going to do? How am I going to pass this class?
Yeah.
But you'll do better than me.
Who knows? Okay, Josh, I'll text you in the next couple days and see if you want to study the accounting together.
Okay, guys, see you Thursday.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.